After getting the device, except for the large aperture icon, the appearance of the box has not changed much. The front and side of the box are printed with Moto and Lenovo's logo. Compared with the Google Pixel, the box of X40 is much bigger because it contains a very powerful charger, which we'll talk about later. Motorola obviously considered the current international situation turmoil. Close combat can cause a heavy damage. Opening the box, let's talk about the phone first. Compared with the previous generation, X40's appearance parameters can't be said to be the same, but completely consistent. The 6.7-inch front panel has been upgraded with Corning Victus glass, 165Hz and global DC dimming, but curved. Turning to the back, frosted glass, which feels more delicate than the previous. After replacing 200 megapixels, the layout of the module has also changed, but in current years, the camera's layout of various brands has been similar. This one is a 12 plus 256G version. This year, the storage production capacity is surplus and has fallen to a very low price. It only costs about $40 to upgrade to UFS 4 and double the storage. Highlight here, X40 supports IP68 level waterproof for the first time. Waterproof means you have a greater chance of taking into the shower and causing water ingress, but at the same time, it also means that the X series has a stepping stone to enter the high-end flagship market. Below the phone is a C2C charging cable, which may be more solid in material compared to Google and Apple. We introduced this charger in previous unboxing. It supports 122 watts proprietary protocol and 100 watts USB PD output. This time, Moto cut down the wireless charging to 50 watts, but the wired still retains. In contrast, some of the mobile phone giant, long-term co-contributor of AOSP and 30 watts charging goalkeeper, the Sony Mobile can only spend a relatively failed life in the sewer. To sum up, X40's appearance changes are not big compared to the previous. The newly added features, especially waterproofing, are the stepping stones to enter the first tier. I think if the X series can maintain the current price range in future updates and provide stable parameters upgrades like now, the X series will be the worthiest of attention among the current challengers. Of course, as a competitor of the comparable device and also the main character of the next video, despite of the deficient performance, slow charging and short battery life, Google Pixel 7 is not anything but shortcomings. There are still some times. Let's talk about the advantages of Pixel 7.